Gonna share a bit of information on these Iveco Cursor 8.7 engines. So we've been building these engines with a certified FPT, certified Cummins dealer in North Dakota. Also, we've got a large independent shop in Texas that builds them. Both of those guys turned us on to the Reliance Overhaul Kits. And if you don't know, you can't buy a complete overhaul kit from Case. You have to buy every individual part. Also, Case doesn't make them. I just saw in the parts catalog where it says it's a Federal Mogul kit. So this whole quote aftermarket is kind of some BS anyway, in our opinion. The point here is that the kit's $9,260 through Case. Reliance kit is, if you're not a Reliance dealer, they're half price. If you're a Reliance dealer, obviously they're less money. And you can scour the internet and you can find them cheaper. But we're not trying to sell them to you. We're just providing the information, telling you that it is an option for you. We've been using them successfully. We haven't had any issues with them. So it's a lot easier from the shop side to order a complete kit than it is to order every single individual piece, and it's also way cheaper. So overhaul kit, get them where you want them, but if you need an engine or a quote sealed long block, we have those in stock. Just got one here in, and we've got a couple more I think on the shelf, and we've got a few more in production. Also, we've been trying to have one of all of the Cummins models. So 8.3, early 8.3, whatever that is, 8.7, and the 9 liter. So if we can help you out on any of that, let us know.